Hello guys, this is Eleftheria from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I will give you a couple of tips on email marketing for beginners, on how to get started with email marketing. And also is a bit of a tip because it will help you to make more money and you don't have to stay at the computer all day or all the time. You need, to sit down, write a couple of campaigns, and you put everything on automation. First of all, what you can do, you can sign up to your Weber. I will put the link below. It's free. You can try it. And when you sign up to your dashboard, then you go by messenger to your campaigns, and you can choose any campaign or any message, and just double click. And as you can see, if you have that first message, it's fine. I mean, if you have a welcome message, whatever you have, then you can press add automation. And as you can see here on the right hand side, you have different triggers like opening the message, click on the link. So you can have different triggers. You can say open the message, and then you can select if you want to add or remove any tags for this campaign. And then you can add the name, for example, of the trigger or any other campaign you want to connect this subscriber, and then you have to apply. I can put an example here so you can, and then you can apply if you want, and then it's simple as that. Just press apply, and then you can save and exit. Now that is simple and easy because it's not gonna make you be all the time on the computer. Of course, you have to write the emails, and let's be honest, you need to have different campaigns, and you need to create different types of segmentations. It's very easy to do it, and focus on increasing your traffic and get as many subscribers as you want. And make sure you have different emails to send to your subscribers so you can make more money. So that is a tip for for when you started, because let's be honest, there's a lot of process, and then you can see what is working and what is not. So that's it for me today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, connect with me on the media, send me messages if you want on Twitter, leave your comments below, and let's have fun. Enjoy.